allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Now, please be seated and let's proceed with your morning announcements.
Miss Pistoka, I'm just looking around for people to hang out with, have coffee with, talk about coffee with Diski, trying.
I don't have time for this. I've got softball practice.
Oh man, gee whiz, Captain America Cup. Looks like it's just you and me. Thanks for having me over here, Miss Duke. I just thought, I've been really trying to get someone to hang out with, have coffee with, shoot ideas for, come up with concepts for this, and it's just not been working out. So I thought, maybe you would be the person, me being your mentor, establish this really good relationship with each other.
I think if you're going to do a segment called Coffee with Diski, you should start with bringing the coffee.
Wait a minute. You're not Mr. Porta.
No, I'm not.
Why isn't he here?
I received a long, detailed email explaining that I will be the one condoning this interview
So
as
you're
his official stand-in.
just a stand-in.
I'm a stand-in.
Why?
He doesn't like being on camera.
What? Didn't he devote his life to film?
Well, that's why he's behind the camera, filming.
This is one of those weird artist things,
It actually really is.
so I'm not supposed to get it.
Not at all.
Is this Mr. Reporter trying to say he's better than me?
Bingo.
You take that, Mr. Reporter!
What? I'm just a stand-in!
I forgot my cup!
Dude, I'm just a stand-in!
Justice served!
You can't just shoot the messenger!
I don't take stand-ins from no one!
He's gonna really hate
This door isn't even closed all the way!
He's really gonna hate Brazil's interview then.
So I was thinking, since I can't find anybody to hang out with, do coffee stuff with, talk about coffee with Diski, I thought, why not Carter? He's a pretty cool guy,
I'm not even sure why you have your own show. I mean, why is it Coffee with Diski? When you think about it, I won Teacher this semester, and it should be Coffee with Carter. I mean, the alliteration is perfect. It's a beautiful concept.
I guess, but I don't know, maybe people just don't like you as much as you think, Carter.
I'm a likable guy.
I mean, you do teach physics.
Physics is a likable subject.
I mean, it's no history class.
So you're telling me that history is better than physics?
I mean, Albert Einstein is probably taught more about in a history class than in a physics class.
Out!
I mean,
Out!
come on. All right,
Diski,
fine,
out!
fine, I'm going.
Out!
Just going.
Out!
You, Mr. Gunn, you need to keep your physics.
The nerve of that guy.
I forgot my coffee mug.
Go!
Ah,
Go!
ah,
Go!
ah,
Go!
ah. Oh, hello there, Miss Brazil.
Hey, Diski.
I know I called you here today to talk about being coffee hangout buddies and talking about coffee and understanding coffee and doing coffee with Diski. All this sounded really good, but then I realized something. You're pregnant.
I am?
That's the thing. I was friends with Miss Kaplan, and she is pregnant, and she left me. She left me with you. I was friends with Miss Dixon, and she got pregnant, and left me with whoever that lady is over there. And now you're pregnant. So if I get friends with you, you know what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna leave.
You're gonna leave me. Everybody leaves! Nobody stays! Everybody goes! Well, you know what? I'm leaving before you can leave me. Have fun with your coffee and your baby. As you know, Ms. Kavanaugh, I never come to this building. It's a math building, not a math teacher. Math intimidates me. But I gotta admit, your Teacher of the Week segment, fantastic work. Now, I get it's Ms. Crawford's Teacher of the Week. No, it's not.
Oh no, it's totally mine.
Not meant to be hers.
Yeah, it was totally mine.
So I thought, we should hang out, have coffee together, discuss Coffee with Diski, come up with some fantastic concepts, because you seem like a fantastic creative person. How does that sound?
Sounds great. How about negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a? How about a squared plus b squared equals c squared? How about volume equals pi r squared h? How about sine is opposite over hypotenuse? Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse? Tangent's opposite over adjacent? How about area of a circle? Pi r squared, that's an easy one. How about,
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what this is.
but I thought you wanted math.
I'm sorry.
So, bye.
Miss Venkat, this has been a nightmare. I can't find anybody to hang out with and have coffee with. And so, it's not that you're my last ditch choice, but I thought, who would know better about putting together a concoction for coffee than a chemistry teacher?
Okay.
Oh, she said okay. She's in with this. Okay, well, if we're gonna hang out and have coffee, I kind of came here with another ulterior motive. You see, I kind of have noticed as I've been doing this that I got a lot of enemies. And you being a chemistry teacher, I kind of need your help coming up with some sort of a solution I can put in coffee that's not traceable.
I got you.
Oh, I like where this is going.
Rain.
That's funny.
So what grade do you teach?
I teach 6th grade.
Why?
Why? I'm not sure, because they need a 6th grade teacher for social studies, but that's the subject that I teach.
So what is your favorite time period?
Time period in history, ooh, that's tough. There's a lot going on. I would have to say leading up to now, the 90s.
Which famous historic figure would you want to meet?
Well, there's a lot of Greek astronomers, Greek philosophers that we still listen to. There's the Romans, obviously, they changed the way that we have government, and they revolutionized how we organize government. Then you have like people from the Renaissance and the creation of Catholicism. The females, there's so many strong, powerful female leaders.
20 minutes later.
Like Sacagawea, Lois and Clark, they expanded.
So you like them all, basically.
Yes.
So I'm going to tell you some jokes. Hopefully you laugh. So how was the Roman Empire cut in half? With a pair of Caesars. Get it? Caesars?
Actually, you could have put it together, so I don't know how it would. That's really bad.
This is why I can't tell jokes to history teachers. Here's one of my first jokes that I wrote. So, woo! Thank you. Responsible for enthusiasm. So here it goes. Okay. So why is it so wet in England? Because Queen Elizabeth knows how to make it rain. Get it? Because my shirt says "Make it rain." Rain, R-E-I-G-N.
That's funny. Rain, you're playing on words.
So yeah. I know you like to twirl with the gun-shaped things.
The gun thing, yes.
Yeah.
I dabble.
So yeah, I was wondering if you wanted to have a twirl off.
Sure.
Learning to live with Senior Ride This.
It first struck me in third period chemistry.
I was at football practice.
I was just about to light my Bunsen burner when all of a sudden, kablamo!
I started giggling.
That was just me getting all antsy and excited. I didn't blow up the chem lab.
It was a high-pitched giggle, like a chipmunk.
I've never felt that way before. It was strangely exhilarating.
I never thought it could happen to me.
Senior Ride This can happen to anyone, but there is hope. There is a cure. Talk to your school advisor.